If you are having trouble doing normal functions on your Chromebook, for example, taking a screenshot, using your camera to record a video or take a picture, or if your Chromebook is just going very slowly, one suggestion is to clear out your browsing data. So in order to do that, you would come up here to the upper right-hand corner and click on the three dots labeled Customize and Control Google Chrome. Once you click on that, then you're going to go to History. And in the drop-down menu over here, where you can see things that you've recently accessed, you again want to click on History. It will bring up a new page and a new menu. And what you want to look for is right over here on the left-hand side, where it says Clear Browsing Data. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. From there, you want to select the time range as all time, not just last hour or last couple days, all time, okay? And you can go ahead, you won't have the option to clear your browsing history, but you should go ahead and clear out your cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Clear out those too. Once you click on Clear Data, that should help to make your computer go a little bit faster and to clear up room to be able to do normal functions such as using your camera app or taking a screenshot for classes. Thanks so much.